Yeah, see that? See, they sauced my sandwich up for real.
It's the sauce, baby.
Marvelous.
What's up, my Kitomi crew? It's your boy Kitomi Poppy, and today we are back for another mukbang. That's right,
Another one.
Wingstop has brought back yet another limited time flavor. This is the Carolina Gold flavor that we're going to be trying on a variety of Wingstop's items in today's Wingstop mukbang, y'all. If you guys have been watching for a while now, you guys know that I love Wingstop, and Wingstop videos are probably my go-to. They're a must. So I decided, you know what, let me give you guys enough time to get the news and, you know, try these for yourself. So hopefully, if you're, you know, have some Wingstop with you, you're going to be enjoying some Wingstop with me in this video. So we're going to be going ahead and diving in. If this is your first time at Kitomi Poppy, I hope it isn't your last time. What are you waiting for? Hit this video with a like if you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing and make sure you turn on the notifications so you will never miss another Kitomi Poppy video. Yeah. All right, your boy Kitomi Poppy loves Wingstop. It's obvious. We're gonna dive in. So, you know, what we have here is the Carolina Gold Chicken Sandwich. Wingstop had these chicken sandwiches when they first came out and went viral. Everybody wanted to get their hands on them. They were sold out for a little bit, and then they came back, and it's been a while now. I have another video, you can check the card above, where I made 2 videos. It was so exciting to have them. So I'm really excited to have it in this flavor here. We also have it in the boneless chicken wings.
Man, what happened to the thigh bites?
I went on the website and the thigh bites were removed.
What?
You know, when they remove stuff, that means people were not ordering them. So,
Well, you guys not order the thigh bites?
because I actually like the thigh bites. They're kind of like these right here, but they're just more
Greasy.
because I don't know. I like the thigh bites. I was a big fan of those. We got some French fries here with some Louisiana rub season, plenty of ranch and a drink. So let's go ahead and dive into these right here. Let me see what I'll get first. I've been doing a lot of wings videos. Even my last video I had wings. So I was like, you know what? Traditional wings to be exact. So I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and do some boneless wings today. So we got the Carolina Gold.
Oh, sweet.
These are the Carolina Gold wings from Wingstop. Let's go ahead and give this a try with no ranch, because Wingstop's ranch is so good. You can literally just make like a ranch sauce. Just pour ranch on naked wings and you have a flavor.
Ranch wings.
No. Let's go ahead and try it.
Sweet.
Sweet, tangy. You know, Carolina Gold, their the barbecue sauce is the mustard based sauce. So if you are a fan of mustard, this is gonna be for you.
Oh, hi. Thanks for checking in.
And I am definitely a mustard fan. That bite was so good. Let me go ahead and dip it in some ranch this time. Ooh,
Lord have mercy.
gosh. I'm in paradise right now.
Delicious.
Oh, I got some Louisiana rub tenders here too. Just because I knew this one was just going to be way too sweet of a video. So I was like, you know what? We're going to go ahead and mix it up with some tenders. Oh my God. The Louisiana rub tenders, dry rub. What's your favorite? Is it dry rubs or wet rubs at Wingstop? What's your favorite rub flavor?
Juicy.
Wingstop's so clutch for having the add-ons when you're about to finish your order. The 2 tenders were like $1.99 to add on. Perfect. Diet Coke.
What is that?
It's been a good year for Wingstop. Wingstop knows that they've been doing very well with their products. Their hot honey flavor needs to return. That's another one of my favorites. Did a video on that as well. Hot honey was just really, really good. I think they should really honestly bring it back. Wingstop, if you're watching this video, you're watching all these content creators make videos, bring back the hot honey. That should be a permanent flavor. Y'all's permanent menu needs a shuffle. That Carolina Gold is so good. 5 out of 5 for the Carolina Gold. Let's try this sandwich here. Oh boy. Yeah, see that? Yeah. They sauced my sandwich up for real.
Damn.
I love when they do that. When you get new flavors like this, you want to just give me all of what I want.
It's the sauce, baby.
Marvelous.
Oh, yeah, this is a winner. This is definitely a winner. Set that bad boy down. Looking to finish up this food in this video. Shout out to my subscribers who always comment on my videos, who are always there. I know I haven't been uploading as much as I should, but you guys have always been there. Definitely a huge shout out to you guys. I really appreciate it. Really makes me happy to produce more videos for y'all. Let's get some more of this Carolina Gold action going. Oh man, they sauced this bad boy up. You already know what I'm gonna do. Hold on, let me make sure my hands out of the way.
When I dip, you dip, we dip. I put my hands around your hip.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Carolina Gold is really good. Mustard lovers, if you like mustard, go ahead and hit it up. I've never ever considered dunking any sandwiches in ranch other than Wingstop's ranch.
Delicious.
started getting a little saucy, so you will be seeing me wipe a lot. We're gonna finish up this sandwich. This gotta go. Look at that, y'all. Ranch dripping all over the place. Ain't worried about it.
Juicy.
The tanginess from the ranch and the Carolina barbecue sauce is phenomenal. I think I'm hitting my wall, y'all. I don't think I'll be able to finish it. But we'll try, though. Guys, I think I've hit my limit. I'm extremely full. I tried to eat this as fast as I could while still trying to savor every single bite that I've ate. The Carolina Gold BBQ Sauce from Wingstop is gonna get 5 out of 5, like I said earlier. This is a must try. It's only here for a limited time. Wingstop doesn't specify exactly when that last day of this item is. I don't know if Wingstop ever tells you when it's the last day, but it's only here for a limited time, so I wouldn't even try to second guess it. Just go out there and get it if you're a Wingstop lover, and especially if you're a mustard lover, go ahead and try it. If you don't like mustard at all, you probably won't like it because it's not super strong in the mustard department, but you do have the hints of mustard inside the sauce, so there's something to note with that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit this video with a like. Consider subscribing if you're already here at the end of the video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you will never miss another Keep Telling Me Poppy video. It's your boy Keep Telling Me Poppy signing out, and I hope you guys stay safe. Y'all stay healthy. Take care. Peace.